Students, this EVS section we are doing lesson number 3, water or water revision. You can take textbook page number 21. Listen, students, you have to read all lessons thoroughly. Means lesson number 1 to 6 you have to read many times. Questions will come from the lessons. Okay, and page number 21, think and write. Tick the activities for which water is needed. Here many activities given. You have to find out which activities need water. Number 1, to play, to sing, to row a boat, to write, to make tea, to knead dough, to run a fan, to paint pictures, to grow plants. Which are the answers? Answers: to row a boat. To row a boat, we need water. Next one, to make tea, we need water. To knead dough, also need water. To paint pictures, we have to mix the colors, so we need water. To grow plants, grow plants also we need so much water. Next one, what can you do without water? Which activities you can do without water? Answer is also here: to sing, to write, to run, to dance. For these activities, no need of water. Next question, what do you cannot do without water? Without water, you can't do these activities. Which are they? Food, means making food, grow plants, to row boat, to make tea. These activities need water. Next one, water more or less. Here given, arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs most water. Which activity need more water? That we will write first. That one first. To water the fields, we need more water. To clean house, we need more water. To bath, to cook food, to drink, to knead dough. According to the amount of water we written here. All of you understood, no? Okay. Next one, page number 23. Color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. Here many pictures of containers given. And also name also written here. First one bucket, next one surahi, plastic can, tumbler, pot, earthen pots, jug, steel pot. These are the containers given here. And in your house, which containers using, that you can color it, and you have to read and learn the names of the containers: bucket, surahi, plastic can, tumbler, pot, jug, steel pot. Okay. Here one picture answers question also given. Which will contain the least water? Minimum water, which container contain that tumbler, that is the small one here. And which one most water? Bucket, the big container, biggest one is here, bucket. And in which container same amount of water can be filled? Bucket and plastic can fill same amount of water. You have to learn the names of containers. Okay, next page. Given the grid are some places where water is found. Find any 7 of them and put circle around each. Here one puzzle given. You have to find the places where water found. Number 1 given, waterfall. Number 2, lake. Number 3, well. Sea, spring, ocean, pond, rain. These things are these places we can see water. Okay, which are they? Waterfall, lake, well, sea, spring, ocean, pond and rain. This one also you can circle. Next one, page number 25. In every row, put a round one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. First question, river, mountain, pond, spring, lake. Here, river, pond, spring, lake, they are the source of water and they exist in them, water existing. But in mountain there is no water. So water do not exist in mountain. Number 2, fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. Except monkey, other animals are water animals. And at the same time, monkey lives in a tree. So that is the difference from the others. Car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Car, bus, train, bicycle are land transport. At the same time, boat is a means of water transport. Bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading duff. Bathing, washing clothes, swimming, kneading duff need water for their activities. At the same time, combing hair we can do without water. That is the different things from others. Okay, you can learn very well and you can write in your notebook also. Thank you.